Okay, sweetheart. Okay, did you bring that picture? Even if it was me, I didn't. Ha ha ha. That auntie did it to people, didn't she? Ha ha ha.
So, is it all prepared already?
You know what I mean, don't you?
So, it's not happening anymore, is it? Chuckle.
Take it.
Huh, what are we doing? Huh, what do you like, dear? Can you?
Is that you?
That's it.
What can you do?
Didn't the teacher already give you very clear instructions about what you were supposed to do after wakatai?
My friend even said she'd never smelled a chinchilla, you know. So, no ring. And what about that hair? It's not there. Now we are the ones who are.
Gifts.
If not.
At first, you didn't know. No, so they're so ignorant.
Yes, dear. Oh no? Come here.